Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Okay, this is silver, spot silver. That's the 2 hours chart. And the move in silver, if I can put it this way, is probably the most dramatic, along with copper, is the most dramatic move that I see on my screen. This Monday sluggish trading everywhere, but this one is really, and you can see it on the chart here. It's relatively speaking is the most notable move. And again, I'm starting with silver and not with gold, because silver is something that I can relate to better than in gold chart, than relate to the gold chart at this point. And what I see is telling me that it's not a bad idea probably to extend the second wave because of the time scale. Yes, the price scale would still justify holding the idea of 1212, but the time scale says no. It's probably better to treat all of that as as a one big jumble of ABC, probably an X down here. That's an ABC. We would be better off treating all of that as a second wave. At this point in time, because we don't have a run above this level, yes, that would have basically resolved the issue here. Because we don't have a run above this level, we have to live under the umbrella of a question mark, because we just don't know. It could still be a 1212 like that, or it could be just 12 in brown. Only further price action, yes, in the next several weeks and months would resolve this. And at this point in time, I don't think that there is really a point in agonizing too much, pulling hairs and etc. No, I think the main trend is still down. I don't see a reason to change that. We haven't seen a run above the previous high and a firm build up here that would maybe the first sign of a bottom here. We haven't seen anything like that. Okay, if we do see in the next 2-3 weeks anything that looks like that, maybe there is a danger that this could be an important bottom, but right now we are very far from that. Take a look at the 60 minutes. And again, all the considerations that I advanced a minute ago, they're all there. You can see that was a firm ABC. There is no argument there. That was a firm ABC. There is also no issue here. That could be treated as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not ideal, but that appears to me to be belonging already to something else. It does not look that this is part of the structure that began from the bottom. Okay, nor does it look like it belongs to the structure that began from this spot. You can see it clearly because it dived so profoundly here. Okay, it just looks like it's starting something new, and it could very well be that it is heading there, and that, as you know, would be a very bearish sign. I must say that copper also is showing us a clear ABC that terminated around here, and also chewing up more or less the same time, going on the same time scale that you see here. And copper is beginning also to slide, and copper doesn't look like it hit bottom, major bottom in any way, shape, or form. Okay, this is gold, and that is the daily. And the one thing I can say is that it's probably easier to advance the notion that we are in a second wave that began from here, rather than say that we have a 1-2-1-2. It's also the issue of the time scale. And here, all the price action here doesn't look like it's setting up a 1-2. It just doesn't look like it's there. So, and also in the same breath, I can say that it doesn't look to me like we have a major bottom here. A major bottom, just to begin to get some sort of clue, if you like, danger, big danger signals for the shorts, would be something like that. First of all, a jump above this level 1088. That just to begin with. Yeah, that will not indicate a major bottom here. What would be very serious would be to see it building up a stair-step march towards the previous high and battling this overhead resistance. In short, you need to see that not only the price is being conquered, but also that the advance is being maintained on the time scale. Okay, and we are very far from that. In fact, all the odds are still pointing to this heading lower. Even if we get a pop, slight pop above 1088, it could be easily accommodated within the concept of our second wave right here. Now I'll take you to the 60 minutes. And gold has been this morning, since it opened, stronger than silver. And here's just an idea. Again, gold is not helping us in terms of the subdivisions here. I could come up with several options here, yes, of analysis, but it appears to me that this is likely an ABC. That should be probably treated as an ABC, and don't be too shocked if that is basically the next move. You'll have another ABC. Okay, so yes, silver will stay weak, and this one will stay weak, and then they'll have a slight pop here, and then they'll have a washout. Okay, very, very possible. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down, you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, okay, and in fact, this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to. Okay, so if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.